In the far reaches of the cosmos, where the stars seemed to whisper ancient secrets, there was once a brave pilot named Zara. She journeyed alone, flying her ship, the Eclipse, across the vast expanse of space. One day, while cruising near a mysterious black hole, Zara noticed something strange. A shimmering light appeared in the dark void, unlike any star she had ever seen. As she drew closer, the light twisted and spun, pulling her ship toward it. The Eclipse shook as if caught in the grip of a giant, unseen hand. And then, in the flicker of a heartbeat, the strange light revealed something terrifying. Another version of Zara stood before her, in the very same cockpit. The pilot's reflection, but not her own. "I am the real Zara," the reflection said with a calm but unsettling voice. "You are the copy." Zara's heart raced. She tried to speak, but the words caught in her throat. The reflection smiled, a knowing glint in its eyes. She looked at her own hands. Were they hers? Or was she the imposter? The black hole loomed, a swirling abyss of endless darkness, as the two versions of Zara stood face to face, both unsure of who was truly real. The reflection raised a hand, and in that moment, the ship's engine hummed louder, its light dimming, as if the universe itself was holding its breath. And so, the great mystery began. Was the pilot who flew the Eclipse the true Zara, or had the black hole spun her into a reality where nothing was certain? The stars themselves seemed to watch in silence, waiting for the answer. The reflection stared at Zara with an intensity that made her skin crawl. For a moment, time seemed to slow. The Eclipse drifted through the space around the black hole, caught in an eerie stillness. The strange light from the black hole flickered again, and the reflection of Zara stepped closer, its eyes full of secrets. "Have you heard the old stories of the lost navigators?" the reflection asked, its voice now softer, almost like a whisper carried on the wind. "The ones who flew too close to the black holes and were never seen again." Zara's mind raced. The lost navigators were a part of an ancient space legend. They were explorers who ventured into the heart of the void, searching for the mythical star of forgotten dreams. But their ships had never returned. It was said that they had become part of the black hole's soul, their identities lost, caught between worlds, existing in infinite versions. As Zara listened, the reflection began to speak of things Zara had never known, details of her childhood, memories she had long since forgotten. But how could this version of herself know them? "The truth lies within the heart of the void," the reflection said, its voice growing more distant, like it was coming from another time. "But to find it, you must let go of everything you know." Zara felt the pull of the black hole grow stronger. Her ship began to spin, caught in its magnetic grip. She realized that the reflection wasn't just a copy, it was a part of her, a part that had been hidden away, waiting for this moment. The black hole was not just a force of gravity, it was a gateway, a mirror of all that Zara could be. But which one of them was the true Zara? The question lingered in the air, unanswered, as the Eclipse spiraled toward the center of the black hole. The universe held its breath. The legend continued to unfold, but the deeper they went, the more Zara knew, this was only the beginning of a mystery that could never be solved. The Eclipse shuddered as it crossed the event horizon, the point where nothing could escape the black hole's grasp. Zara clutched the controls, her mind swirling with confusion and fear. The reflection of herself stood silently beside her, a mirror image in the cockpit, staring out into the nothingness. "Why are we here?" Zara asked, her voice shaky. "What is this place?" The reflection turned to her, its eyes filled with both understanding and sorrow. "This is the space between realities, the place where all lost souls linger. Those who fly too close to the heart of the void never return as they were. They become something else." The black hole stretched open before them, a swirling maelstrom of light and shadow, a doorway to a realm that defied all logic. Zara's mind raced with the legends she had heard, of travelers who had entered black holes and returned changed, with their memories fragmented and their identities shattered. A sudden thought struck her. Could I be the one who disappeared? She thought she was the pilot who had always flown the eclipse, but was she the one who had been swallowed by the black hole long ago? Had she been the reflection all along? Before she could speak, the reflection spoke again, this time with a deep, ancient voice. The truth is not for you to know, not yet. The void does not give answers, only questions. You must decide which one of us will survive. The light around them flickered, and for a moment, Zara saw a vision, a world beyond the black hole. It was a planet with ancient ruins, long forgotten by time, where the lost navigators had once landed. The legend spoke of an artifact hidden there, something powerful enough to reshape reality itself. In that instant, Zara realized what she had to do. The reflection wasn't a mere copy, it was the key. Only by embracing both versions of herself could she unlock the truth of the void. The eclipse surged forward, the black hole's pull now a distant memory. The stars ahead blinked as if acknowledging Zara's decision. The universe stretched out before her, infinite and mysterious. And so, the legend of the astronaut's reflection became a tale told by travelers who ventured too close to the void. The mystery of which Zara was the true one remained unsolved, but the cosmic journey continued. The black hole, still whispering its secrets, awaited the next brave soul to dare its depths.